How to create an object for a Django model with a many-to-many field. My model. I want to save both user 1 and user 2 in that model. I know that's wrong, but I'm sure you get what I want to do. How would you do it?
You cannot create M2M relations from unsaved objects. If you have the PKs, try this. Update: after reading the Severio's answer, I decided to investigate the issue a bit more in depth. Here are my findings. This was my original suggestion. It works, but isn't optimal. Note, I'm using bars and a foo instead of users and a sample, but you get the idea. It generates a whopping total of 7 queries. I'm sure we can do better. You can pass multiple objects to the add method. As we can see, passing multiple objects saves one select. I wasn't aware that you can also assign a list of objects. Unfortunately, that creates one additional select. Let's try to assign a list of PKs, as Severio suggested. As we don't fetch the 2 bars, we save 2 select statements, resulting in a total of 5. And the winner is passing PKs to add gives us a total of 4 queries.
For future visitors, you can create an object and all of its M2M objects in 2 queries using the new bulk_create in Django 1.4. Note that this is only usable if you don't require any pre- or post-processing on the data with save methods or signals. What you insert is exactly what will be in the DB. You can do this without specifying a through model on the field. For completeness, the example below creates a blank user's model to mimic what the original poster was asking. Now, in a shell or other code, create 2 users, create a sample object, and bulk add the users to that sample object.
Django 1.9. A quick example.
Related object managers are different attributes than fields in a model. The simplest way to achieve what you are looking for is. That's the same as assigning a user list, without the additional queries and the model building. If the number of queries is what bothers you, instead of simplicity, then the optimal solution requires 3 queries. This will work because we already know that the user's list is empty, so we can create mindlessly.